Hello guys, welcome to Gist Media TV. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe and also click the notification bell to get notified anytime we drop a new video. A pan-Yoruba coalition group, Àpapọ̀ Oòduà Akọ̀yà, has said the governor of Ondo State, Rotimi Akeredolu, cannot stop the struggle for self-determination in the state. In a statement on Tuesday, the group said the governor cannot determine the fate of Ondo State in the proposed Oduduwa Republic. Akeredolu had on Monday warned Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho, and others agitating for a sovereign Yoruba nation to stay away from the state. Akeredolu said the Ondo people had elected to stay in the Federal Republic of Nigeria as constituted at present. But in a statement issued by its state coordinator, Muftau Adetoloye, the group said Akeredolu represents the All Progressive Congress (APC) in the interests of the Fulani Caliphate. The APC ignores the same as the 4 million people of Ondo State. There are various logical reasons why you, Akeredolu, cannot speak on behalf of 4 million people of Ondo State. You are the elected governor, but that does not give you overall legitimacy over the future of the Ondo people and their relationship with the greater Yoruba nation. Your mandate is only 4 years. It does not extend to the right to self-determination of the people of Ondo State, as entrenched in international laws, the group said. It added, you, Akeredolu, in 2020, compared with registered voters, you had only 15% mandate. Legally speaking, you have no legitimacy over the people of Ondo State, with 292,830 votes out of registered voters population of 1,546,081 registered voters. Is a vote of no confidence in the vote process that produced your stolen mandate. You represent fraud, you represent shame and dishonor. You represent Nigeria, a country where leaders literally feed on the blood of their people, a country categorized as the axis of evil, a country that murders innovation and produces leaders through violence, treason, stealing, and unparalleled corruption of the voters. AOKOYA alleged that Akeredolu is a conscious enemy of Yoruba people who is ready to sell his people to slavery for peanuts. 1 million of you cannot stop an idea whose time has come. You are bragging about a stolen mandate bought with blood money. You sit on a seat stained with blood of innocent people. You hijacked the legitimacy of the people and you defend it not with the will of the people but with guns and bullets purchased from the sweat of ordinary people. The Fulani who funded your campaign have chained you and cuffed you with fetters of iron, but you cannot equal your fate with the fate of Ondo people. You are a lawyer, educated, but you lack common wisdom. You are far away from the fierce aspirations and the resolve of your people to be free. You are in power because the Fulani crooks imposed you on unwillingly people. You have no conscience. You know deep in your heart that you paid voters to win the election. You should be ashamed of yourself. The fraud you represent is destined to collapse right on your face, and you will face the ash wrath of history at the fullest of time.
Ọlọ́run ló fà wá lọ́gbọ́n ẹ̀, Ọlọ́run sì rán mi síran Yorùbá. Gbogbo èèyàn bá láwọn kọrí sí Ọlọ́run bá ní ìkọrí sí ní ìkọrí sí. Ọlọ́run sì ní akọrí sí ní pé ọ̀kan ní Nàìjíríà gbọ́dọ̀ wà. Kò sẹ́ni tó lè yẹ àṣẹ Ọlọ́run. Kò sẹ́ni tí ó dàrú. Àyè nìkan bìkan. Ẹni tó bá ń ṣe ibi, kò sí ẹni tí ń ṣe ibi nínú ìran kankan. Ṣé àárọ̀ ọmọ ìpàǹlé nínú Yorùbá tó wà ní Haúsá?
Rẹpẹtẹ.
Kò sọ́mọ Yorùbá àwọn kan lẹ́wọ̀n wọn bí.
tó ti lọ tó ti dé.
tó ti lọ tó ti dé tó yẹ ọmọ páńlé kan ní kí wọ́n sọ pé gbogbo yín ni
ká máa lọ.
lẹ́ni bú tí pòfẹ́sọ̀ iṣẹ́ ni bú ni nítorí pé ọmọ yóò
kábíyèsí
ẹni tó bá jẹ́ kírímínà láàrin Fúlàní tàbí Haúsá ó ní kẹ́sí kíni.
ẹnìkan mú.
ẹ má sọ wípé gbogbo Fúlàní ni kíni.
ní ọlọ́daràn.
táwa dúró lé lórí Nàìjíríà ọ̀kan ni ó sì. mo sì wá sọ fún sọ́jà gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí tóun náà di ọba wọn kọ́ fún àmọ́ra à ń sọ òtítọ́ ká ti sọ mi parọ́ fún àwọn ọmọ òwò ní gbogbo ẹni tẹ́ ẹ bá sọ ọmọ òwò yìí ẹ fi gbogbo ọmọ òwò léèrè pé ṣé mo jẹ nǹkan kan wọn rí ṣé mo talẹ̀ yín ṣé mo talẹ̀ nìkan
kò sí
wọ́n wá ní ọbẹ̀ ta Yorùbá ní ìtalẹ̀ mi gangan ẹbí wà ilé lẹ́ẹ̀kọ́ wò kẹ́ tó sọ ọmọ ló kọ́ kẹ́ tó sọ pé yọ ta Yorùbá ẹ̀kọ́ délé ẹ̀wò akéré mi kọ̀tà plọ̀tì kan náà kí ẹ débẹ̀ ọdún kan ní ntòlúwo bá ń ṣe láàjọmọ ọba yìí ta ogún ìlú ẹ̀ kò sí ní máa kó báyìí bàbá ìlú lèmi ta
dúkìá lù ú.
ọjọ́ mẹ́ta ní lò sọ́kàn bẹ́ẹ̀ jẹ́ ń lo ọ̀sẹ̀ kan nù ọjọ́ mẹ́ta ní ọjọ́ mẹ́ta ẹ lè wá ibi tí a ti wá àjẹ.
kábíyèsí o.
Òòṣà ti bá àṣà àṣìṣe Yorùbá jẹ́ púpọ̀ òun ni ò jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ ráwọn lè mọ́ mú ní àwọn pásítọ̀ kí wọ́n máa wò kí wọ́n máa wọ lẹ̀kẹ̀ ní àwọn lẹ̀kẹ̀ àtòfì ní ìṣẹ́bẹ́ bá wọ̀ fún jọ́bí mélòó kí ni wọ́n mọ̀ pé.
ẹlẹ́bọ
ó sì wá jẹ́ táwa fi ń ṣẹ̀ṣọ́ òòṣà ló ń ba àṣà jẹ́ ní bàtà jẹ́ ó ti làjú ní olóró lọ́run nìkan ni ọ̀rọ̀ kìrìtẹ́nì kọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ìsìlámù ẹ̀sọ̀ ìṣàtòkùn pọ̀ ẹ̀sọ̀ ìṣàkùn pọ̀ ẹ̀sọ̀ ìṣàwó ní oògùn àfọ̀ ẹ̀kẹ́ ìpìlẹ̀ làwọ̀.